Are you swimming? Will you hold on and kick? Grab the side of the pool and kick your feet. Kick them both. There you go. Now kick the other one. Like in swim lessons. Kick your feet. Oh, okay.
Watch.
I'm watching. Will you blow bubbles in the water? Blow. Blow. Don't put the water. Blow bubbles. Blow. Caitlin.
No.
Blow out.
What?
Whee! Do you like to go swimming?
That's you, Mommy.
Did you get me?
No, they do. Anyway. Don't do that. Aggie poop. Ew.
Yeah, don't put the water in your mouth. It's Aki. Blow bubbles for Mommy.
Where's my Doa? Hey, Doa. Doa. Doa, imagine. Have some beer in the water. Good job. Tammy. Doa. I'll fly it.